Hello children, hope you all have seen all the videos of chapter 1 more on large numbers. In this video, let us revise all the topic in first chapter. Let's recall the topic in more on large numbers. First, Indian system, in that place value, expanded and standard form. Next, comparison of numbers. Under that, ascending and descending order. Next, forming numbers. Third, rounding of numbers. Next, Indian system and international system of numeration. And at last, Roman numerals. Let's revise Indian system place value first. Indian system place value chart. It is divided into groups called periods. In this chapter, we learn up to 8 digits. For 8 digits, we have 4 periods. Ones period, thousands period, lakhs period and crores period. In ones period, we have 3 places, ones, tens, hundreds. In thousands period, we have 2 places, thousands, 10,000s. In lakhs period, we have 2 places, lakhs, 10 lakhs. In crores period, we have 2 places, crores, 10 crores. In this grade, we learn up to crore place. What is the necessary of understanding place value chart? It helps us to find the place value of the digit in a number, and also it helps us to compare numbers. The place value of a digit increases by 10 times as we move from the ones place to left. Place value. Place value of a digit is the value of the place occupied by that digit in a number. And what is meant by face value? Face value of a digit is the digit itself. Let's learn place value and face value with an example. Write the place value and face value for the underlined digit. Children, hope you all learned how to represent the number in words through videos, right? The given number is 7,25,366 and the underlined digit is 7. 7 is in lakhs place. So the answer is, the place value of 7 is 7 lakh. And what is the face value of 7? Face value of a digit is the digit itself. So the answer is 7. The face value of 7 is 7. Children, if you have doubts in finding place value of the digit, represent the number in place value chart as represented here. From this chart, you can easily find the place value of the given digits. Next example, insert commas and write the number in words. The given number is 3481211. For inserting commas, the digits can be separated according to the periods. In Indian system, digits are separated initially by 3, then by 2 split according to the periods. In place value chart, the number is represented here. Start from the right side of the number. Start from the 1. 1 is in ones place. Next, 1 in tens, 2 in hundreds place. So we need to insert 1 comma here. Next, 1 in thousands, 8 in 10,000s. Again we need to insert 1 comma. 4 in lakhs place and 3 in 10 lakhs place. Finally, 34, 81, 211. Okay. You all know how to represent the number in words, right? 34 lakhs 81,211. Next example, write the number. Question is 2 crore 12 lakh 16,431. Represent the number in place value chart. Start representing from the highest place value. Here, crore is the highest place value. So, start representing from that. 2 crore. So, represent 2 in crores place. 12 lakhs. 1 in 10 lakhs. 2 in lakhs place. Next, 16,000. 1 in 10,000 place. 6 in thousands place. 431. 4 in hundreds place, 3 in tens and 1 in ones place. Finally, 2 crore 12 lakh 16,431 is represented in numbers. Here 2 is in crores period, 12 in lakhs period, 16 in thousands period, 431 in ones period. Children, there is no need to represent the number each and every time in place value chart. If you are thorough in place value chart, you can directly write the number for the number names. Expanded form. Expanded form means you are expanding number to show the value of each digit. Let's see an example. Write the number in expanded form. The given number is 86,71,435. So we need to write this number in expanded form. That means we have to show the value of each digit. Here 8 lies in 10 lakh place, 6 in lakh place, 7 in 10,000 place, 1 in 1000 place, 4 in 100 place, 3 in tens place and 5 in ones place. Let's see how to write the answer. 86 lakh 71,435 is equal to 8 is in 10 lakh place. That means it has 8 10 lakhs. So we have to write 8 into 10 lakh plus 6 lies in lakh place. So it has 6 1 lakhs. 6 into 1 lakh plus 7 in 10,000 place. So 7 into 10,000, that means it has 7 10,000s in this number. Plus 1 into 1000, 1 lies in 1000 place. So 1 into 1000 plus 4 in hundreds place. So 4 into 100 plus 3 lies in tens place. So 3 into 10 plus 5 lies in ones place. So 5 into 1. In the next step, multiply and the answer is 80 lakh plus 6 lakh plus 70,000 plus 1,000 plus 400 plus 30 plus 5. This is the expanded form. Hence we find the answer. Standard form. The reverse form of writing expanded form into number is standard form. Let's see the example. The question is, write in standard form 40 lakh plus 8 lakh plus 20,000 plus 5,000 plus 100 plus 20 plus 7. Let's see the answer. First 40 lakh is given. That means it contains 4 10 lakhs. Represent this number 4 in place value chart as mentioned here. 4 comes in 10 lakhs place and 8 lakhs. That means it contains 8 lakhs. 8 in lakhs place. Then 20,000. It means 2 10,000. So 2 comes under 10,000's place. Next 5 in thousands place, 1 in hundreds place, 2 in tens place and 7 in ones place. Hence we find the number 48 lakh 25,127. Hence we find the answer. Next, comparison of numbers. Let's see an example. Compare numbers using greater than symbol, less than symbol or equal to symbol. The first question is 7 crore 10 lakh 23,908 and the second number 7 crore 13 lakh 23,918. So we need to compare these two numbers and in the given box we need to write greater than symbol or less than symbol or equal to symbol after comparing the numbers. Let's find out the answer. Which number is greater? How we can compare numbers? First thing, we need to compare the number of digits. Here, both the numbers are having same number of digits, that is 8 digits. If the number of digits are same, we need to compare the place value. Start comparing the place value from the left side, that is from the highest place value. 7 is the highest place value. That means crore place is the highest place value. In the both the numbers in crore place, we have same digit, that is 7. So move on to the next place, that is 10 lakh place. In both the digits we have 1, that is also same. Then move to the next lakhs place. In the first number we have 0 and the second number we have 3. 0 is less than 3. So 7 crore 13 lakh 23,980 is greater than 7 crore 10 lakh 23,908. Let's see another example in comparing numbers. The number given is 54 lakh 35,245. The second number 64,345. We need to compare these numbers and write the symbol in the given box. Let's find the answer. First, compare the number of digits. First number is 7 digit and the second number is 5 digit. Children, you all know that the number that has more number of digit is greater. Hence, 54 lakh 35,245 is greater than 64,345. Next sum, write in ascending order. The given numbers are 5 crore 88 lakh 1,914. Next, 1 crore 17 lakh 23,273. The third number 60 lakh 23,729. And the last number is 3 crore 11 lakh 30,111. Let's find out the solution. What is meant by ascending order? Arranging numbers from smallest to largest is ascending order. In step 1, let's find out the number of digits first. The first number is 8 digit, second number is 8 digit, third number is 7 digit and the last number is 8 digit. The number that has small number of digit, that means 7 digit, comes the first. That is the smallest number than other numbers. I have mentioned 1 since it should come the first place. In step 2, let's compare the 8 digit numbers. If the number of digits are same, what is the step? We need to compare the numbers with its place value. Start comparing the numbers with the place value. The highest place is crore place. The first number it is 5, the second number it is 1 and the third number it is 3. I have underlined those numbers. Which is the smallest number? 1 crore 17 lakh 23,273. That comes the second smallest among the 4 numbers. 3 crore 11 lakh 30,111. That comes the third smallest, and the last 5 crore 88 lakh 1,914 is the last. In step 3, we shall write the numbers in ascending order. That is 60 lakh 23,729 is less than 1 crore 17 lakh 23,273, that is less than 3 crore 11 lakh 30,111, which is less than 5 crore 88 lakh 1,914. Hence we find the answer. Number 4. Write in descending order. The given numbers are 67,53,241. The second number is 8 crore 76,53,246. The third number is 9,87,899. The last number is 81,346. Descending order means arranging numbers from largest to smallest. Let's see the answer. Step 1. First, we need to find the number of digits for the given numbers. First number is 7 digit number. The second number is 8-digit number. The third number is 6-digit number and the last number is 5-digit number. Children, you all know that the number that has more number of digits is greater. That means the number that is 8 digit. What number is in 8 digit? 8 crore 76 lakh 53,246. That is the greatest number among all other numbers. Here I have mentioned 1 since it is the largest number among the other numbers. So it has to be written in the first place. Second, 7-digit number is the second largest number than other numbers. The third is 6-digit number, 9,87,899. That comes in the third largest, and the least smallest one number is 81,346. So, in step 2, we can write the answer 8 crore 76 lakh 53,246 is greater than 67 lakh 53,241, that is greater than 9 lakh 87,899, which is greater than 81,346. Hence we find the answer. Children, we have to mention this greater than symbol while writing the answer. Number 5. Form the largest 8-digit number using the digits 25981034. If a question is asked to form the largest number or greatest number, then first step we need to arrange the given digits in descending order. Descending order means arranging numbers from greatest to smallest or largest to smallest. Here I have represented the given digits in descending order. What is the largest number from the given digit? It is 9. Next to 9 it is 8. Then 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Arrange the given digits in descending order as represented here. Then write it all together to form the largest 8-digit number. Answer: the largest 8-digit number is 9 crore 85 lakh 43,210. Hence we find the answer. Next sum, form the smallest 7-digit number using the digit 9, 4, 3, 8, 6, 1, 7. To form the smallest number, we need to arrange the given digit in ascending order. That means from smallest to largest. Which is the smallest number? 1 is the smallest number from the given digits. So arrange the given digit in ascending order as represented here. Next step, just write the numbers together. The answer is the smallest 7-digit number is 13,46,789. Hence we find the answer. Rounding of numbers. Let's see with an example. Round off the number 19,606 to the nearest 10. First, underline the digit in tens place. Since it has to be rounded to the nearest 10. So we need to underline the digit in tens place. Check the digit in ones place. If it is 5 or greater, then add 1 to the underlined digit. Otherwise, leave as it is. Change all the digit to the right of the underlined digit to 0 and left of the digit remains the same. Let's see the solution for the given sum. 19,606. In tens place, we have 0. Check next to the tens place. In ones place, we have 6. 6 is greater than 5. So, add 1 to the digit in tens place. When we add 1 to the digit in tens place, what will happen? 0 becomes 1. And change the digit to right of the underlined digit to 0. So, 6 becomes 0. Hence, the answer is 19,610. Next, round off the number 68,850 to the nearest 100. What digit is in hundreds place? It is 8. Check the digit in tens place. It is 5. 5 or greater, add 1 to the underlined digit. So we need to add 1 to the digit in hundreds place. That is 1 plus 8, it becomes 9. And change all the digits right to the underlined digit to 0. Hence the answer is 68,900. Let's see an example for rounding of the number to the nearest 1000. Question is, round off the number 1,03,692 to the nearest 1000. Let's see the solution. What number is in thousands place? It is 3. Underline the digit 3. Check the digit in hundreds place whether it is 5 or greater than 5. The digit is 6 in hundreds place. It is greater than 5. So add 1 to the digit in thousands place. In thousands place we have 3. If we add 1 to it, it becomes 4. And change all the digits right to the underlined digit to 0 and all other digit to the left of the underlined digit remains the same. Hence the answer is 1,04,000. So far we revised Indian system and now let us revise international system of numeration. In international system of numeration place value chart, it has 3 periods and it has 3 places for every periods. In ones period it has ones, tens, hundreds place. In thousands period it has 1000, 10,000, 100,000 place. In millions period it has millions, 10 millions, 100 millions places. Let's see an example in international system of numeration. The question given is, write the number 2365358 in the international system place value chart. Also write it with commas and in words. So the given number has to be represented in place value chart and we have to write the number with commas and also we have to represent this number in words. Let's represent the number in place value chart. While representing a number in place value chart, start from the right side of the number. That means start from the ones place. 8 is in ones place. Let's represent the number in place value chart. 8 in ones place, 5 in tens place, 3 in hundreds place. Then 5 in thousands place, 6 in 10,000s place, 3 in 100,000s place. Then 2 in millions place. Hence, the number has been represented in place value chart as shown here. Next, we have to write the number with commas. In international system of numeration, commas can be inserted after every period, that means after every 3 digits, because for each period there is 3 places. Start from the right side of the number, start from the 8, 8, 5, 3. It comes under ones period. So we have to insert one comma here. Then 5, 6, 3. It comes under thousands period. We have to insert again one more comma. The answer is 2, 365, 358. Then we need to write the number name for this given number. Children, you all know how to read a number, right? Digits under the same period have to be read together. That means 2,365,358. Let's represent this in words. 2,365,358. Hence we find the answer. Roman numerals. This is our last topic in chapter 1, more on large numbers. In Roman numerals, there are 7 basic symbols that is used to represent numbers. For number 1, it is represented as I. For 5, it is V. For 10, it is X. 50, it is L. For 100, it is C. For 500, it is D. For 1000, it is M. Also remember, there is no zeros and no place values in Roman numerals. and the numeral I, X, C and M can be repeated, and that too only 3 times. The numeral V, L and D cannot be repeated. There are certain rules that we need to learn for writing Roman numerals. Let's see the Roman numerals with an example. Example 1. Convert 376 to Roman numerals. Let's see the solution. 376 can be written as 300 plus 70 plus 6. That means we have to write the number in powers of 10. That means 10, 50, 100, 500 like that. So 300 plus 70 plus 60 gives 376. We don't know the exact Roman numeral for 300. So again 300 is written as 100 plus 100 plus 100. And for 70 we don't know the exact Roman numeral. Again 70 is separated and written in form of 50 plus 10 plus 10. 6 can be written as 5 plus 1. So in second step, 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5 plus 1. Replace the number with Roman numerals. We know the Roman numeral for 100 is C, 50 is L, 10 X, for 5 it is V and for 1 it is I. Replace the values with Roman numerals. The answer is C, 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 L, X, X, V, I. Hence, we find the answer. Example 2. Convert CLX, VIII to Hindu-Arabic numerals. That means we have to convert Roman numeral to numbers. Hindu-Arabic numerals is nothing but a number. Let's see the solution. We know that C equals 100, L equals 50, X equals 10, V equals 5, I equals 1. Here, C is larger numeral, all other numerals are smaller than C. As per the rule, if a smaller numeral follows a larger numeral, the numerals are added. So, CLXVIII equals, we have to add up all the value. 100 plus 50 plus 10 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. The answer is 168. Hence, we find the answer. Let's see adding Roman numerals. Example, solve and write the answer in Roman numerals. LXXIV plus CX. We need to add these Roman numerals. Let's see the solution. We know that C equals 100, L equals 50, X equals 10, V equals 5, I equals 1. So, LXXIV. In this numeral, L is larger numeral and all other numerals are smaller numeral. As per the rule, if a smaller numeral follows a larger numeral, the numerals are added. Hence, 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 4 equals 74. Likewise, we need to find the value for Cx. Here also the same rule, x is smaller numeral and it follows a larger numeral C. So the value has to be added. 100 plus 10, 110. Hence, we have to add these two values. 74 plus 110 gives 184. But in question, solve and write the answer in Roman numerals. So 184 has to be written in Roman numerals. 184 can be written as 100 plus 80 plus 4 in powers of 10. Okay. So 100 plus 80, we don't know the exact Roman numeral value. Hence we have to again separate and write in form of 50 plus 30, which gives 80 plus 4. Replace the Roman numeral for the value. C plus L plus XXX plus IV. Hence, the answer is CLXXXIV. Let's see subtracting Roman numeral. Example, solve and write the answer in Roman numerals. XXV minus VIII. Let's see the solution. We know that x equals 10, v equals 5, I equals 1. Replace the numeral with the value. In v numeral, v is smaller numeral and it follows a larger numeral. Hence, we need to add the values. 10 plus 10 plus 5 gives 25. Likewise, we know the value directly for 8. VIII equals 8. Hence, 25 minus 8 gives 17. 17 has to be written again in Roman numeral. That is nothing but XVII. Hence, we find the answer. So, we revised all the topics in first chapter. Let's have a quick recap about the topics that we revised in this video. Indian system, place value, expanded and standard form, comparison of numbers in the ascending and descending order, forming numbers. Next, rounding of numbers. Then, international system of numeration. And at last, Roman numerals. Kids, go through the video and practice maths daily.